just want you to hear the noise of the leaves in the wind. Isn't it amazing? Where's Robin? He's right by me. I can't see him. Where are you, Robin? Whoa! Isn't it a great noise? Where's that Robin? He's right here somewhere. Where are you, Robin? Oh! I don't know if you'll be able to see him. I can suddenly see him. He's right. He's right in there. Spot the robin. He's obviously keeping dry. He's right there, look. You can see him. Yeah. And someone else is making a big noise over here too. I don't know who that is. There's someone else making a big noise. Who's that? I'm rubbish on birdsong. I've got no idea. See the water dripping everywhere. There's more than one bird making the same noise. I don't know who that is. Wow. Right. I think it's a day indoors for me. I do have to walk Sunny. And she's already made a deposit on the floor, so... Oh, hello, Robin. Hello. Hello, fella. Hello. I don't think there's anything on there for you. No. Oh, maybe. No, he's gone up in the tree, look. Up in the tree. He's gone over to the bird table. Whoa. He's in there somewhere. Right. Well, I hope you have a good day, folks. Whatever you do, it's definitely an indoors day today. And that's me in Tiny Woodland Garden, over and out for now.